Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I am going to show you how to apply for your ICSE board exam verification. Well, board verification certificate is one of the important documents for you to apply for your computer number. So in case you are someone who's looking to apply for the computer number and do not have an idea on how to apply for your ICSE verification, in my video today I am going to tell you the same, so be with me till the end. To begin with, on your internet browser, you have to type cisce.org. So the website opens up and you will see services in orange. You have to click on services and you have to log into Icsce service portal. Now we don't have an account, so we're going to register now, and you can give your email ID, whatever is the email ID that you're currently using. You enter a password, confirm the password, put in the captcha, and then you register. Now the activation message was sent to the email. So on your email you will find the link. You have to go and click on that link and activate your the account. Now you come back to the main page of cisce.org and you again click on services, log into ICSE service portal. Now you already have a registered account, so you're going to put in your email ID and your password, the captcha, and then log in. Now you have to make your profile, so you can enter your name, your email address is already mentioned. You have to enter your mobile number. A type of user is going to be individual because you are the one who's applying for it. Put in your phone number, your address. You have to mention your city, state, country, pin code, and you will click on update. So now you see here, click here for mobile verification code. So you have to click there and a code will be sent to your mobile number. So whatever was the mobile number, make sure that you have the mobile handy with you. So once you get your OTP, you can type in your OTP and just put verify token. Now that your account is verified, you again will go on cisce.org. When you click on services, you will log in again, and now because you're already logged in, you're going to find verification and inquiry. So you will have to click on that and you have to click on add new request. So you see the terms and conditions, you click on the I understand and then go to next. Here you have to upload the document which needs to be verified. So if you see, all your details are mentioned here, individual, your name, address and everything. You have to upload your document. So we are going to get the verification for the passing certificate, and you can also get the verification for your statement of marks. If you can see, there is an upload authorization document. So this basically is a letter written by you which will be an authority for them to, this is just like an authority for the verification of the document. Now in the UID index number, you can give your UID number. You have to type in the year, whichever year that is you passed your exam. SOM and PC is statement of marks or passing certificate, whichever is the document that you want to get verified. If you want to verify both of them, you have the option of, on the right corner there's an option called add docs. You can just go add docs and you can upload both your passing certificate and your statement of marks. So I am going to do only for the statement of marks for now. And once you've done everything, just make payment on the bottom right side and click on OK. Now you see your payment summary, you just click on proceed. Now all the charges here are mentioned. You have to, so the amount is rupees 500. As you can see, confirmation message will be sent. You have to enter your mobile number and your email ID and you have to make the payment. So it can be anything. I'm using the card, so we'll do it with the card for now. So now that the payment is done, you will come onto the page which says the verification request payment is successful. Please find your transaction details below. So you have your verification reference number, the request reference number, your username, payment success, and all these details. So this is your final payment has been made, and within maybe 2-3 days or maybe within a week, you will receive the hard copy of your the verification that will be sent to your postal address. You can track the status of your verification on the site again. You just have to go back and log into your account and keep checking for the status. So my friends, this was the procedure to apply for the class 12th and for class 10th as well. Both class 12th and class 10th ICSE verification is done in this manner. As you receive your hard copy, you can send the same to dgca along with the other documents for the allotment of your computer number. I hope my video today has helped you in understanding how to apply for the ICSE board result verification. For more such informative videos, please keep following Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!